So MiniTC is a US made product. We make the product in Texas, and so definitely it's a much more superior product than any of the products which are procured from outside United States. It's a much more quality product producing great results. In addition to having a US based manufacturing, we provide US based support staff which helps the doctors and the technical staff within the clinic learn how to use MiniTC and solve any problems that they encounter using MiniTC as well. So the training, onboarding is all handled by our US based staff, and therefore it's a much more efficient process. We are committed to providing much more sustainable treatments for our patients, and therefore I think Jointechlabs with MiniTC and other products that they are coming out with is definitely going to be a great experience for you working with us.